Observing the starry waterfall in the night sky is an extremely interesting activity for scientists and astronomy enthusiasts. Whenever we look up at the sky, the first task is to search for constellations to locate the stars in the sky. At this time in Vietnam, summer begins, so the Cygnus Constellation is one of the constellations you cannot miss. In this constellation, the bright stars form a pattern called the Northern Cross. This is the clearest sign for you to recognize this constellation. So today, in this video exploring the mysteries of the stars in the sky, we invite you to join in discovering the Cygnus. Let's go explore together. Cygnus is one of the most prominent constellations in the summer sky. It is one of the 88 modern constellations in the night sky. It symbolizes the image of a swan. The constellation has an area of 804 square degrees, ranking 16th in size in the sky. Cygnus is located in the northern celestial sphere, so in Vietnam, you can easily observe within the constellation. There are 9 main stars, arranged to form a star region called the Northern Cross. And this is the image of the constellation in the sky. It is called the Northern Cross because the stars are arranged like a cross, and the constellation is in the northern direction, hence the name. According to ancient Greek astronomers, the Northern Cross, combined with surrounding stars, creates an imaginary image of a flying swan, and this is the imagined image of the constellation. The standout star in the Cygnus constellation is Deneb, also known as Alpha Cygni. Observing the sky, this is the brightest star in the Cygnus constellation and the 20th brightest celestial object in the sky. Not only is it the tail of the Cygnus constellation, Deneb is also the star at the apex of the summer triangle when combined with Altair and Vega. Therefore, this is also a feature that helps you easily find the constellation in the night sky. You just need to locate the summer triangle and identify the star Deneb to find the tail of the Cygnus constellation. It has a radius about 203 plus or minus 17 times that of the Sun. This means the star's radius can reach up to 152,900,000 kilometers. With this size, if the star replaced our Sun, its radius would extend beyond Earth's orbit. That is, the 3 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, and Earth, would all be swallowed by this star. Thus, Deneb is considered a supergiant. Due to its A2 spectral type, the star is also quite hot. Its surface temperature is estimated at over 8,000 Kelvin, much hotter than the Sun's surface temperature. Therefore, the star emits a brightness 196,000 times that of the Sun. But because the star is quite far away, about 2,620 light-years from Earth, observing it from Earth, it is only the 20th brightest celestial object in the sky. Currently, the star has exhausted hydrogen in its core, with a mass about 19 times that of the Sun. Scientists propose 2 hypotheses for the star's future. One is that it will evolve into a red supergiant, or it will become a blue supergiant. But whatever the result, within the next few million years, the star will become a supernova. And then on Earth, we will witness a light show created by the explosion. But it will take a few million years, so probably everyone watching this video will not have the chance to admire it. The second notable star in the constellation is Albireo, also known as Beta Cygni. It is located at the head of the Swan. Observing the sky, it appears as one star, but in essence, it is a binary star system and a tertiary star. Beta Cygni is one of the most famous stars for amateur astronomers due to the color contrast of the star system. In it, the binary Beta Cygni A has an amber-orange color, while the secondary star Beta Cygni B is blue. This color contrast makes the star system famous among scientists. In terms of distance, this star system is about 400 light-years from Earth, and it is not yet known if the stars orbit each other in a physical binary or if they are just an optical double. If they are a physical binary system, their orbital period lasts at least about 100,000 years. However, many scientists support the theory that this is an optical system, with different proper motions. This means the motion of Beta Cygni b and the Beta Cygni a star system are unrelated. Notable in the system is the binary Beta Cygni a. This binary combines to form a distinctive orange color. In the binary, there is a primary giant star with a radius 62 times that of the Sun. With a K-type spectrum, the star has a surface temperature much lower than the Sun's. It is only about 4,383 Kelvin. The secondary star has a radius 3 times that of the Sun. But it has a hot body, with a surface temperature up to 10,000 Kelvin. As for the tertiary star Beta Cygni b, this is the outer star, with a radius about 2.59 times that of the Sun. But with a B8 spectral type, the star has a surface temperature up to 13,200 Kelvin, more than twice the Sun's surface temperature. Scientists have not confirmed whether Beta Cygni b is truly related to the Beta Cygni a star system, so they need more time to understand this star system better. Observing in the sky, the Beta Cygni star system has an apparent magnitude of 3.1, easily visible to the naked eye. This is the fifth brightest star in the Cygnus Constellation. Next, you shouldn't miss the star at the breast position of Cygnus, also known as Gamma Cygni. Observing in the sky, this star has an apparent magnitude of 2.23, making it the second brightest star in the constellation. It is a supergiant star with an S8 spectral type, with a radius 150 times that of the Sun. Regarding surface temperature, it is about 5,790 Kelvin, slightly hotter than the Sun, thus radiating 33,000 times more luminosity. Being a giant star with an S8 spectral type, its lifespan is very short, only about 12 million years. Observing through telescopes, scientists see the star surrounded by the IC 1318 nebula, and this is its image. But due to the great distance, 1,800 light-years from Earth, scientists still don't fully understand this star. On the eastern wing of Cygnus, there is an orange giant star named Epsilon Cygni. Observing in the sky, the star has an apparent magnitude of 2.48, making it the third brightest star in the Cygnus constellation. Viewed from Earth, this appears as a single star, but it is actually a complex triple star system. They are named Epsilon Cygni A, B, and C respectively, with Epsilon Cygni A being the primary star. It has a radius about 10.8 times that of the Sun and a K0 spectral type, so its surface temperature is lower than the Sun's. The companion star Epsilon Cygni b has an orbital period around the primary star of about 55.1 years. Another star further away is Epsilon Cygni c, about 1,700 astronomical units from the primary star. Its orbital period is estimated to be up to 50,000 years. The Epsilon Cygni star system is about 73 light-years from Earth, making observation and research convenient. Next is the star Delta Cygni, located on the western wing of Cygnus. In the distant future, this star will become the North Star for at least 400 years. The estimated starting time is from the year 11,250. Observing in the sky, the star has an apparent magnitude of 2.87, making it the fourth brightest star in the Cygnus constellation. In nature, this is a binary star system with an orbital period of 780 Earth years, in which The primary star is blue with a B9 spectral type, with a radius about 5.13 times that of the Sun, and radiates about 155 times the luminosity of the Sun. Based on parallax measurements, the Delta Cygnus star system is about 165 light-years from Earth, a distance not too far, supporting observation and analysis. Besides the 5 main stars forming the Northern Cross, the Cygnus constellation has many other stars. Additionally, because it lies on the Milky Way plane, the constellation contains many deep sky objects. Notable ones include the M29 star cluster with about 50 stars and the M39 star cluster with over 30 stars. You can easily observe them with binoculars or amateur telescopes. If you have a telescope, don't forget to observe the famous Cygnus constellation in the northern sky. So today, we have explored the mysteries of the stars in the Cygnus constellation together. Wishing you all an enjoyable video view. Now, please select the video on the left or right side of the screen to continue decoding other mysteries of the universe together. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next videos. Goodbye, everyone.